bounce. Moneyman, Matthias, on the way to FPAUK. Need that Costa. You look dead. Those the deadest looking things. It's like a pack of Tom's dicks. Silk's baffled by technology. He's going to struggle here.
Black, white, you get me? Obviously I'm on a diet. Championship fishing boat in a place. Black, white.
Straight away.
Yeah. Straight away. I think he looks like Mr. Blobby.
Still tap you up.
Tap me out? Get me. Today we have Azim, I know what to be there. I'm making up another little S-man.
I had a picture of Ronaldo on his phone, you know.
Ronaldo?
What is man?
It's a bit dark for Ronaldo, mate.
Thing is, he's never won an EFC title.
World champion.
So that's
championship. World champion fisherman. See what I mean? World champion. It's gonna be
Photoshop.
So, found like a, I think it's an old boat to be honest with you, it's sunk. If you have a look down there, there's a barrel, that's all. Perch like the shadow, so I'm going to try and cast. I know it's quite far up, we've got a long landing net today. I'm going to try and cast and get into like a little deep gully down there, and usually the perch will sit there, so hopefully be able to get it up and over the boat if I do get a bite. Before I get snagged.
Me neither, mate, that's a fucking big perch.
Just fishing off a drop off over there into some murky water. Me and Tom noticed it. A couple of casts on the Kitech, crazy flapper, really lightweight. And not a bad fish, definitely a high too.
Yank and bang.
We've come here for the perch, but seems that it's the pike that's only playing ball for me today, so welcomed, but not what we're after. The light will be going soon, so hopefully we'll pick up some perch. But yeah, at least I'm bagging some.
She needs some oil on her knee.
And it's a little jack.
Oh. Oh. Show Silk, he's never had one that big.
Yeah, Silk.
That's called a pike.
My bag's open.
Oh, you twat. Come, lean back.
Imagine if that was my camera.
Wait, move your camera to my hand.
Look at my alert. How am I going to get that? How am I going to get that? You idiot. Right, let's put his fish back. Right here. Oh my god. Go on, mate. How's he? Oh, we're gonna get that now. Pass me the net. Nearly snapped me rod and everything.
No, you're pushing for me. Oh, it's
Fucking, I don't like this fucking net ring.
Is he so? Where's it gone?
I don't know. Then. Oh, my fucking jighead. Oh my god. At least they're waterproof. Sort of. Would have been waterproof if I never cracked the case.
Yeah, that's a fucking big one. So can you get in there? What is this? Is a big one. Fucking hench. The biggest of the day. I think it's a pike. Mate, how much is that pulling in?
Right, you.
Yeah.
You're the one who's
Silk, I've got a fish on. Silk. Silk. Fucking hell. Any chance?
Right, your little perch is at least the more decent than you when I'm playing the pike on.
No, but I've got fucking 2 fish on it. Yeah, let's get that in there.
Go on in. So by now you've probably seen some of the fish we've been catching on the river. I'll just run through the setups that we're using. We're all using the same. It's the new rod range from Sakura. It's called Species. They're all in 2 to 7 gram. They come with a Fiji reel seat and rod rings. These ones are corrosion resistant, more than last year, and this is to take over from the Sportism Neo. We've loaded them up with 1,000 Stradics. That's got the CI4, and for an entry level, well, I would say a high-end entry level setup, it's doing the business. We've had some perch, we've had some pike, all on the TRD as normal. And yeah, I'm going to cut the film in there because Silk's just had a perch.
If you can call it that.
Yeah, if you can call it that. So yeah, we're going to be fishing into dark now, so camera's off. See you later.